This is my first recipe video.
Oh, hi.
I'll be showing you how to make this right here. Dalgona Coffee. If you love coffee, then you definitely love this. Frothy coffee. Yeah, it's trending. Yeah. Right. Milk, sugar, coffee, hot water, and you're done.
Okay, voiceover. Yeah, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coffee and then 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of hot water. Okay, that wasn't a full teaspoon, so I had to add a little. Yeah, and then you mix it till your hands ache. Of course, you don't have to do this by hand, but if you want to, well, go ahead. At least I warned you. And this is the consistency we are looking for. Now we are ready. Oh yeah, of course ice, because yeah, Ghana is hot. And then some milk. Any milk of your choice is fine. And then we're adding in our whipped coffee. This recipe is so easy. Oh my god. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that cup of goodness.
Cheers. This is so good.
And here is our verse for today.
Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to do what my shirt says. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, support your girl. What else do they do? Oh yeah, hit the notification bell. I would see you on another video. Bye. Nico say bye. Bye. Yeah, Nico says bye.